So upon integrating, we'll get 1 by 2, 25x minus x cube by 3 minus 5 minus x whole cube by minus 3 varum. Apply the limits from 0 to 5. So we'll be getting 1 by 2, then 25 into 5, 125 varum. Minus 5 cube is again 125 by 3. Now at 5, this term will be 0. Then minus at 0, e രണ്ട് terms 0 ആവും. And this will be 5 cube by 3 again. So 125 by 3. So that will be 125 minus 2 times 125 by 3. So that is equal to 1 by 2 into 125 by 3. So that is 125 by 6. So as a type 1 region, this is going to be the value of the integral. Now type 2 nu nammal integrate cheyyumbom again we must get the same value. So let us see how to evaluate as a type 2 integral. So for type 2 again നമുക്ക് ആദ്യം എക്സിന്റെ വേരിയേഷൻ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം. So for that we will be taking horizontal lines. അപ്പം ലെഫ്റ്റിൽ ടച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ലൈനിലാണ്, റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിൽ ടച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നത് സർക്കിളിലാണ്. So on the left side we will need to find x. So x will be equal to 5 minus y, and on the right side x will be again positive ആണ് x ന്റെ വാല്യൂ ഇവിടെ. So we'll get root of 25 minus y square. So x is going to vary from 5 minus y to root of 25 minus y square. ലൈൻ താഴേക്ക് മേളിലേക്ക് മൂവ് ചെയ്യുക. താഴെ വരുമ്പോൾ y equal to 0 വരും, മേളിൽ y equal to 5. So y will vary from 0 to 5. Now let us look at the integral. So the limits will be, so we'll get double integral. So the outer limit will be 0 to 5, inner limit will be 5 minus y to root of 25 minus y square y dx dy. So first we need to integrate with respect to x. അപ്പോൾ y constant ആണ്, integral x വരും. So we'll get integral 0 to 5 y into root of 25 minus y square minus 5 minus y dy. So that will give integral 0 to 5 y root of 25 minus y square minus y 5y minus y square dy എന്ന് എഴുതാം. Now let me integrate the first integral separately. This portion you can integrate it directly. So here I have taken the substitution. Again it's in function and derivative form. Substitution edukka, u equal to 25 minus y square. So du will be minus 2y dy. And u will vary from, when y varies from 0 to 5, u will vary from 25 to 0. So we'll get integral 25 to 0. Root u y dy will be du by minus 2. So upon integrating you will get u raised to 3 by 2 by minus 2 into 3 by 2 from 25 to 0. So we'll get minus 1 by 3, 0 minus 25 raised to 3 by 2. So that will be 5 cube. So therefore the value of limit is going, integral is going to be 125 by 3. അപ്പോൾ first integral value 125 by 3 varum. And when you integrate the second term you will get minus 5 y square by 2 minus y cube by 3. Apply the limits from 0 to 5. So we'll get 125 by 3 minus of 125 by 2 minus 125 by 3. So this is 125 by 3 minus, and this difference will become 125 by 6. So we'll get the final answer to be 125 by 6. So that is the required integral. So both the values must be the same. നമ്മൾ as type 1 as type 2 ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ the value must remain the same.